This is the elevator at Zone C at the corners of Brookfield and Brookfield, Illinois. Oh, excuse me, Brookfield, Wisconsin. It's a Schindler 338. Installed in 2016. Let's go to 1. Oh, door close worked. Listen to the motor. Watch out for creaky noises. Yep, told you. This thing creaks a lot. Let's go back down to the lower level. Oh, this time door close didn't work. Kind of weird. Nice elevator. HT premium fixtures. There's your floor indicator, 88 phone. This thing is not that great because too much creak noises. And by the way, these are one of the only two Schindler 33 elevators that are working. 338 elevators that are working, because Zone D works and this one works, but the one in Zone A is out of service because I believe they're expanding the Sendiks. There it goes, and that's it. All right.